Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Yes, welcome back to Bloom German. Friends, our today's topic of discussion is Relativsätze und Relativpronomen. So let's begin. As you all know this chart, let us discuss it one more time. For masculine nominative, it is there. For feminine nominative, the article is the. For neutrum nominative, article is das. For plural nominative, article is the. Accusative masculine, then accusative feminine is the. Neutrum accusative is das, and for accusative plural it is the. For dative it is them, feminine it is they, neutrum it is them, and remember here for relative Sätze or relative pronomen plural dative is denen. As today we are learning the relative sentences. That what do you mean by relative sentences? First one is they are related to each other. Second one is there must be some common part between the two sentences. Okay, here we will take the simple example, simple masculine example. Der Kuli kostet nur 10 Euro. Der Kuli ist sehr neu. Now, what is the common part between two sentences? Der Kuli. Kuli is masculine. So, how to build the relative Sätze? First come the der Kuli, comma, there. Now, what is there now? There. So, der Kuli, comma, der sehr neu ist, kostet nur 10 Euro. Richtig? Der Kuli, der sehr neu ist, comma, kostet nur 10 Euro. Here after comma, what come? The article for der Kuli. Then the verb goes in the end of a sentence. Then comes the comma. Then the second verb, second conjugated verb, and then the remaining part of a sentence. Let's understand with one more example. This time we will take the feminine example. Ich besuche heute eine Stadt. Stadt is the Stadt. Punkt. Die Stadt liegt im Norden von Berlin. Simple sentence. Now, what is the common part in between these two sentences? The Stadt. Now, here my tip is always write down the sentence, first sentence till the common part and then give the comma. Okay, wherever is the common part doesn't matter, just write down the first sentence till the common part. So what the relative Sätze become here? Ich besuche heute eine Stadt, comma. Now what here is the common part? The Stadt, die im Norden von Berlin liegt. Again the verb goes in the end of a sentence. Richtig? Now let's understand with some more example. Here I have taken masculine accusative sentence. Der Chef ruft seinen Freund an. Thomas trifft den Chef. Okay. Now what is the tip I have given to you? We have to write down the first sentence till the common part. Okay. Der Chef, comma, then Thomas trifft, comma, ruft seinen Freund an. Richtig? Okay. Now we will take one more example. This time feminine accusative. Die Flasche kostet 120 Euro. Punkt. Ich habe sie im Internet bestellen. Okay, now what is the common part here? Always think about the common part for making the relative sentences. Okay, here the Flasche is the common part. Now what the sentence will be? Die Flasche, comma, die ich im Internet bestellt habe, kostet nur 120 Euro. Richtig? Let's take one more example. This time we will take the neutrum accusative case. Das Büro liegt im Zentral. Ich finde es sehr schick. Now, das Büro, das ich sehr schick finde, liegt im Zentral. Richtig? Another example. Now we will take with the dative verb. Ich rufe meine Freundin Thomas hilft ihr bei einem Projekt. What is the common part here? Meine Freundin, die Freundin. So always write down the first sentence till the common part. Ich rufe meine Freundin, der Thomas bei einem Projekt hilft. Richtig? The changes to there because this is a dative sentence. One more example. Frau Meier hat einen Sohn. Ich gratuliere ihm zum Geburtstag. Frau Meier hat einen Sohn, dem ich zum Geburtstag gratuliere. Das Mädchen kommt aus USA. Meine Mutter sagt ihm die Adresse. Das Mädchen, dem meine Mutter die Adresse sagte, kommt aus USA. Die Musik klingt sehr ruhig. Ich mich interessiere für die Musik. Die Musik, für die ich mich interessiere, klingt sehr ruhig. I hope you have understood how to build the Relativsätze. Now for more such interesting video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Auf Wiedersehen.